Your car's thermostat is a small part with a big job. It controls your engine temperature, keeps it running smoothly, and prevents overheating. But when the thermostat gets stuck, your car can run too hot or too cold, causing major engine damage. In today's video, I'll explain what a thermostat does, how it works, symptoms of a stuck thermostat, and how you can diagnose it easily. A thermostat is a temperature-controlled valve located between the engine and radiator. Its main job is to regulate coolant flow and maintain ideal engine temperature, usually around 90 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, 195 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. When the engine is cold, the thermostat stays closed, so the engine warms up quickly. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, it opens, allowing coolant to flow to the radiator and cool the engine. Inside the thermostat is a wax-filled capsule. When the engine heats up, the wax melts and expands, pushing a rod that opens the valve. This simple mechanism helps your engine stay at a stable temperature, improving fuel efficiency and performance. If the thermostat gets stuck closed, coolant cannot reach the radiator. Symptoms include 1. Engine overheating quickly. Your temperature gauge climbs fast within minutes. 2. Radiator stays cool. Even while the engine is hot, the radiator won't heat up. 3. Coolant tank boiling. Pressure builds up and coolant may overflow. 4. Low heat inside cabin. Heater blows cold air because coolant isn't circulating properly. 5. Check engine light may turn on. You may see codes like P0128 or temperature too high. If the thermostat gets stuck open, coolant flows continuously, not allowing the engine to warm up. Symptoms include You can perform simple tests to confirm if your thermostat is stuck. Test 1. Feel the radiator hoses. Start the engine. If top hose stays cold while engine overheats, thermostat stuck closed. If both hoses warm immediately, thermostat stuck open. Test 2. Watch the temperature gauge. Quick rise equals stuck closed. Always low equals stuck open. Test 3. Scan for error codes. Common codes. P0128. Coolant temperature too low. P0217. Overheating. Test 4. The hot water boiling test. Remove the thermostat. Dip it into hot water. If it doesn't open, it's faulty. In most cars, the only fix for a stuck thermostat is replacement. The good news? A thermostat is inexpensive, usually $10 to $40, and replacement takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. After installing a new thermostat, refill coolant, bleed air from the cooling system, check for leaks. Your engine should now warm up properly and run at stable temperature. A failing thermostat can cause overheating, poor mileage, and engine damage. But now you know how it works, the symptoms of a stuck thermostat, and how to diagnose it yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which car problem I should explain next. Thanks for watching.